Hey guys, Chris here with Good Land Travel Agency. We are back at one of our favorite Punta Cana resorts, the Hyatt Zilara Cap Cana. We are here at Hyatt Zilara in an ocean view junior suite double with club access. We're going to take a look first at the storage in this room in case you're here for an extended stay. You got plenty of room here, pull-out shelves, plenty of room to hang your stuff for the week. And then, of course, you've got your safe. Plenty of other drawers for storage here. Then come on this way, we'll take a look at the bathroom. So here, what's great is you've got double sinks. You've got your standard amenities here that are included at all Hyatt resorts. Separate room here for the toilet. And then behind us right over here, we've got an awesome oversized shower with rain shower head. They've got some really cool tile work in here. I really like what they did here. Moving on, we are in the double bedroom here. So we've got two queen beds, some seating area, some nice storage here for your luggage. They brought us some nice amenities here. We are club level today, so they brought us some nice welcome amenities and a nice bottle of wine here that we will enjoy later. You've got your standard snacks here. If you need anything extra, it's very easy to just call the concierge, get it restocked. I'm gonna show you a little bit of what's in the mini fridge here for you. So again, pretty standard. You've got your El Presidente Light, also known as your Dominican water, some bottled water, Coke, Sprite, and some juice here. Like I said, we are club level today. They will give you a special sheet here that'll show what is all included in your club level amenities. To kind of summarize, you're gonna get premium alcohol in the club level lounges. You're also gonna get your complimentary breakfast and lunch at the club level restaurants, as well as personalized concierge service. One of the nice things too is they'll give you this QR code located right on your sheet. If you need to restock any of your minibar or snacks, they will bring it right up to you using this QR code. Now, to kind of wrap up this room tour, we are gonna take a look at our amazing view right out here. Chris here, the owner of Good Land Travel Agency. Thanks so much for viewing our content of the Hyatt Ziva and Zilara. After touring these properties, it is no wonder they remain one of the top all-inclusive options here in the Dominican Republic. Contact us to book your next vacation here. We are experts on this property and would love to handle your next vacation. One of the highlights of this property is Playa Hotel and Resort's mantra, service from the heart, and you can absolutely feel it walking around this property. The staff here have been absolutely incredible. Chris here, the owner of Good Land Travel Agency. Thanks so much for viewing our content. We offer personalized service and expert knowledge. Contact us to book your next vacation and check us out at goodlandtravelagency.com.